Okay, question 16. The rectangles A and B have perimeters 94 centimetres and 56 centimetres, as shown below. Use an algebraic method to calculate the area of each rectangle. Okay, first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to use the information they've given us, and the information they've given us is all about perimeter. So the perimeter of the shape is the distance around the outside of it. So in this case, for shape A, we got 2x along here, plus 3y, plus 2x, plus 3y. And that's going to equal 94 centimetres. So we've got 4x plus 6y equals 94. And let's look at B. Same thing. Perimeter around the outside of the shape. So starting here, we've got x plus 6 plus y plus 4 plus x plus 6 again plus y plus 4 again, and that equals 56 centimetres. So simplifying this, we're going to have 2x plus 2y plus 20 equals 56. Okay, I'm just going to sort this out now to make it the same as this one. So I'm going to take 20 off both sides. So I have 2x plus 2y equals 36. Okay, so that's my two equations. Now they asked me to use an algebraic method. So what they're really asking me to do is to use simultaneous equations. So I've got equation 1, 4x plus 6y equals 94, and equation 2, 2y plus 2x plus 2y equals 36. It's equation 2. I'm going to times equation 2 by 2 to make both of the x's the same. So I'll just rewrite equation 1. Timesing everything in equation 2 by 2, I'm going to get 4x plus 4y equals 72. Okay, to eliminate those x's then, I'm going to take away. So 4x and 4x is 0, 4y from 6y is 2y, and 72 from 94 is 22. Okay, so if 2y equals 22, divide by 2 on both sides, y equals 11. So that's my first value. Now I'm going to substitute that value for y back into one of these equations. So sub y equals 11 into, and I'm going to use this equation. So 4x plus 6y equals 94. So I'm going to have 4x plus 6 times 11 equals 94. 4x plus 66 equals 94. So take the 66 off both sides. And that's going to give me 28. So 4x equals 28. Dividing by 4 on both sides, x equals 7. So they're my pairs of values. I'm going to check that works by substituting it back into one of my equations. So I'm going to substitute it into here. So x times 2 times 7 plus 2 times 11 should equal 36, or 14 plus 22 does equal 36. So I've checked it and I know that's right. But the question actually asks me for the area of each rectangle. So going back up to the top now and looking at those rectangles are, the first one is 2x by 3y. So rectangle A is 2 times x, so 2 times x is 14, times 3y, so that's 33, and that's 462 centimetres squared. And then rectangle B was x plus 6, so that's 13, times by y plus 4, So that's 15, and 13 times 15 is 195 centimetres squared. So that is our final answer. They really made us work for that.